I hope it hit it.
Oh, you want me to hit it?
Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video, and today I got something a little bit different. But before I get started, I just wanted to shout out to all of my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I could not do this channel without you, so thank you again. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, because liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you want to check out DaveTheWatchman.com, you can check out all the watches that I do have listed there that I have done reviews of, and I provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick those up if you want to wear them for yourself. And those are affiliate links. They do not cost you anything more, but they do send a few dollars over to me if you decide to purchase the watch, and that is very much appreciated. So without further ado, I just wanted to get into what we're doing today. I'm actually doing a sprinkler repair or installation, and we're out here, and I'm wearing this watch because it does look like a much higher end luxury brand. I will not mention the name of that luxury brand, but you would never in your life even consider wearing that luxury brand while doing this type of work. And I did do a few other videos with this exact same watch where I ran it over with a lawnmower and I cut down some trees and things like that. And so figured might as well do it while we're doing this sprinkler installation job here, and show you guys just how rugged it actually is and how much it is holding up, and just the fact that, you know, you couldn't do this with any other watch. And to be able to do the things that we've been doing on this project with a watch like this, it's a beautiful watch. Let's get it kind of rinsed off a little bit here in the kind of muddy water, but just to give you a good view of the watch. It's a beautiful, beautiful watch. And believe it or not, this watch cost me somewhere in the neighborhood of $40. It is a quartz movement. It is water resistant. And it's got a mineral crystal. It is a very, very inexpensive alternative to its other counterparts. Beautiful dive style watch made by the company OLEVS. You can see the logo there. They do make an automatic version of this watch. This one is the quartz version, but they do make an automatic version of this watch, which is actually really nice as well. And they do have this in many other colors to choose from. Yeah, my buddy's over there giving me the middle finger because I'm not helping him right now, but let's not get into that. He ended up breaking the water line with the Bobcat, so that was all you, buddy. But anyway, it's a beautiful looking watch, guys. And I mean, it's not, like I said, it's not the best quality watch around, but I'm going to tell you guys this right now. I've had this thing for about 14 months and it's still ticking. I haven't even had to change the battery in this thing. It's a beautiful, beautiful watch. I will post a link to this in the description below. It is available on Amazon, and I'm not sure what the price is right now on Amazon, but you will not spend a lot of money for this watch, and it is a really nice watch. I wear this thing a lot. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it, and guys, you can do pretty much whatever you want with these watches. They are very, very, very budget friendly. I've worn this out on the town. I've worn it, like I said, I've run it over with the lawnmower. I've thrown it in the pool. You guys just saw me rinse it out in this muddy water over here. It's been taking a beating today with the sweat, the water, the dirt, the sunlight. It's just a really, really great watch for. Let me actually take the watch off so I can kind of show it to you guys before I close this video out. Just give me a second here to pull the watch off. Okay. All right, so there we go. I got it off my wrist. Just want to rinse it off again. So there you go. You can kind of get a really good look at it. Really nice watch. It's got the crown logo on the winding crown. Nice tight moving bezel on it. Really nice tight bracelet. Like I said, this watch is about 14 months old. I got this thing brand new about 14 months ago or so. So really, really nice watch. Great for the price. And like I said before, I am going to have some more watches coming in about a week or so. So stay tuned to that video. Hey, hold on. Let me do this. Hey, this will be cool.
We're gonna dig some dirt with that, Dave.
All right, curl the bucket up. Okay, now take a scoop of dirt. You can't do too much down because it's gonna, but just kind of. Come on, scoop of dirt. More.
More?
Yeah, take a big bite.
I'm trying not to dig up this section.
Keep going. There you go. Dig it up. All right, now dump it. All right. I hope it hit it.
Oh, you want me to hit it?
Hey guys, just brought the watch in, cleaned it off, finished the job outside with the backhoe and the sprinklers, and got everything completed, and washed the watch up, and everything works great on it. Again, another torture test for this thing. I've put this thing through a lot of hell since I bought it, and it always comes out shining like a star. This watch, like I said, somewhere in the neighborhood of 40 or 50 bucks, and I've had it for over a year and almost a year and a half, like 14 or 15 months now, and still beautiful. No scratches on the crystal, even after I slammed it with that backhoe bucket, and worked on it, worked with it all day. Wore it on my wrist. I have the sunburn wrist wear mark to prove it. Did not take it off. Got muddy and dirty and run over, and just, it still looks beautiful. It is a beautiful watch, and I definitely recommend it. So if you guys are looking for a great watch that looks like a higher end luxury brand, and you don't want to spend the big dollars, and you don't want to have to worry about it, and definitely head on over. I'll provide that affiliate link in the description below, and you guys can head on over and pick one of these guys up and wear it for yourself. Once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you want to check out my website, just head on over to davethewatchman.com, where you can check out all the watches I have showcased here on the channel and some watches of interest. And I do provide affiliate links to those watches as well, so you can head on over and wear those watches for yourself. Once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I am not a jeweler. I'm just a guy who likes his watches. I like to buy them, I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. You guys all have a great week.